Y'all need to chill, cause I'm about to spill the next thing that sounds real. Does anyone know the deal? Cause everything feels surreal. I can't even tell how I really feel. Everything seems so crazy. Shit's looking very hazy. Should've known they was shady. Tryna hit on my lady. Better run before I turn them into gravy. Slice, dice, put them in rice. Ice, but ice, put a little lime slice. Gonna give it to them thrice. Maybe then I might feel nice. Smoking that dank that smells so stank. Rolling out the bank with a stack of Ban Frank. Looking like I'm about to pull a prank. I'm so bad, cause y'all getting mad. There ain't nothing better than seeing you sad. Don't you know I'm the real shag? Coming through with the fattest bag. I take the biggest drag. Can't handle G and Mitch's leg. I always like to brag. Them boys got me on Skype. Don't you know I like to snipe? Gonna take a few hits off the pipe. Cause I'm gonna go out tonight. Try to give them quite the fright. Feeling like I live in the night. During the day I live out of sight. You're gonna lose cause you is old news. I am the realist. People need to feel this. Fools always trying to steal it. Don't you know I'm the real shit? I take the biggest hit. Looking for my next trip. We be rolling in the imp. Me, G, Money, Mitch. Gonna put them in a ditch. Then we get ghost in a clinch. Everything we do is such a cinch. I didn't know we only had a pinch. Guess we're gonna have to pack it in. This is the session that we must begin. I didn't realize it was such a sin. I must be a vampire, a crazy bloodsucker, king of the empire, the best motherfucker. All my slaves call me sire, while my bros roll the fire. I'm feeling kinda tired, cause I'm